Once you've opened your account map in Lucidchart, you can begin adding contacts to the canvas. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Salesforce account listed at the top of the toolbox, along with all of the contacts in the account. To add any of these contacts to the canvas, simply click and drag them to the desired location, and that's it. However, when you have an account with a lot of contacts, like this one here, you'll need to use our search functionality to find them. In the search bar at the top of the contact list, you can search according to name, title, or department. And once you've found the desired contacts, simply click and drag and drop them anywhere on the canvas. If you'd like to move a contact once you've added it to the canvas, simply click and drag it to another place.